of Brevard County length to Sebastian Inlet, extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Tropical storm warning in effect. West, south winds 20 to 30 knots, with gusts up to 35 knots, and seas 5 to 7 feet. Where, Volusia, Brevard County length to Sebastian Inlet 20-60 nautical miles. When, tropical storm force winds likely through Tuesday morning. Impacts, very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and slash or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Serving
CFG relay.